We weld, we go outside and do work outside.
We cover a lot of ground.
Some days we'll be in the shop doing woodworking.
Building and grounds is very diverse. Lumber and steel construction, masonry construction,
carpentry, plumbing, grounds.
framing, learn the basics of welding, metal working.
A lot of them come in and they're shy, they're not sure what they want to do in life.
You can kind of pick and choose where you want to focus on the most, or just kind of be a jack of all trades.
And over a period of time that they're here with us, they gain knowledge and they gain self-confidence.
We do everything.
I like it, and all my classmates like it.
We get to see them all grow every year. It's pretty great.
The growth of them stepping out of their comfort zones and doing things that they never thought were possible is just an amazing part of this program.
I learned woodworking, time management, working with a team and by myself.
They learn from the beginning stages all the way through the maintenance part. So the maintenance part is a lot easier once you have the fundamental understanding of how it was built.
Get to do a lot of stuff with my hands. It's a lot of fun.
Several kids have come in very shy, lacking confidence, but they come here and they kind of find their people and they find their place and they find themselves.
Gives you a lot more opportunities and more experience.
That person begins to emerge, that confidence begins to show up, and it's pretty dramatic, the change that can happen within a year.
You get to meet new people from different schools, get to be friends with them, and it's pretty fun.